This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at the over limit error message on the XE-A307 register. It's not necessarily a straightforward error to resolve because it can happen for a couple of different reasons, and it also might be a deliberate issue with the till to do with the way you're selling items through the till. So if I explain the different ways you can get the error message, the first one is by entering too high an amount into a department. So if you ring through a silly amount of money into the department and it comes up with over limit, that's just the till saying that's an incorrect amount of money, re-enter the amount correctly. So if you wanted to do $9.99, you should be able to put that through one of the buttons. If you enter an amount, say $12.99 through one of the buttons, and it's incorrect that it's coming up with an over limit, that means the machine's been misprogrammed, and I'll show you how you can correct that. Of course, that's not the only type of over limit error message you can get. So if we press the CL key, if you try and cash the sale off and get the over limit error message, it basically means there's a limit programmed into the button. And again, if that limit is there to stop silly amounts being run through, so people are dispensing too much change, then that's a good thing. But if it's happening when you've got a sale for $9.99, then obviously that's a problem. So what I'll do is I'll cancel this sale by pressing the CL button to get rid of the error message. Subtotal, void, subtotal. So that's cancelled that sale off. And I'll now show you how to reprogram. I'll do the cash button first because that's probably the most serious. So if we go to mode and then line 6, so you can either scroll down to 6 or just type in 6. Green TLNS button to go into it. Arrow down to setting, and then we're looking for media. Cash, or sorry, TLNS to go into it, and then this is all the method of payment buttons. So you've got cash, check 1, check 2, credit 1, credit 2. You go into the cash button, which is the one that's causing us the problem. We can see that the high amount lockout, the halo, is set to £1, which is clearly incorrect. So you can change that by highlighting it and then typing in the maximum amount that you would want run through that button. So maybe 5 zeros to get us, oh, no, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So that's set it to £1,000. I mean, you set it to whatever you want within reason. The idea of it is, as I say, to stop a crazy amount being run through. You can actually make it tender compulsory so that they can't just press the TLNS button, they have to enter the amount first. But if I now show you how to clear the problem on the department, so that's within the programming mode, into article, then into department, and then into the department that's causing you the problem. Arrow down, there's the halo. So the halo's set to £10. I mean, that might be correct if you've set it up deliberately and that's right, then you can just leave it. However, if that's incorrect or is now causing you a problem, then just like the cash button, you can correct it. You can either totally turn it off by setting it to 0. So we go back into department 1. Halo is at 0. That means you can ring any amount through, or you can set it to maybe $99.99. It's entirely up to you. I've got a full video showing you how to set the function up, which I'll post at the end of this one as well. Save the data. So what should happen now is in the reg mode on the department 1, our £12 sale will go through fine. We can sell $99.99 through the button. We can also cash that off with no problem. What we shouldn't be able to do is ring through £100 through that button. That'll error. And also, if we ring through $99.99, we shouldn't be able to ring through, that's the maximum amount, so we can ring through £1,000, but we couldn't ring through, where are we, let's say £2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, we get the over limit error. Okay, so I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XE-A307 and other Sharp cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.